Topic is artificial satellite. This is very important part of physics. Artificial satellite is a satellite which is launched on the basis of science. First satellite, that is artificial satellite in India, that is Aryabhatta. It is thrown from Russia in 1975. So we have to know some equation of artificial satellite which are very important for class 11 examinations. First we have to know what is orbital velocity. First we have to know that is orbital velocity. The velocity with which the artificial satellite moves around the Earth is called orbital velocity. Orbital velocity. So this is m, this is r, this is m. So let an artificial satellite of mass m moves around the earth of mass m and radius r with velocity v. The radius of the orbit is r. So the force of attraction between the earth and the satellite is F equal to gmm by r square. The required centripetal force, that is F equal to mv square by r. So we can write F equal to Fc. So gmm by r square, that is mv square by r. So we can write v equal to root over r, that is gm by r. Let height of the satellite is h from the Earth's surface. So you can write r equal to r plus h. So v equal to root over gm by r plus h. Next we have to know that is angular velocity. Orbital angular velocity. So we know v equal to omega equal to v by r. So putting the value, that is 1 by r root over g by r. So omega equal to root over g by r cube. So omega equal to root over g by r plus h r cube. Next we have to know, that is time period of satellite, that is we know t equal to 2 pi by omega. So we can write that is 2 pi by omega, that is r plus h the whole cube by gm. So this is the value, this is the time period. Next, if condition if h less than r, that is implies to r greater than h, that is when the satellite is very close to the earth, then r plus h nearly equal to r. So hence we get that is v equal to root over gm by r. So we know that is g equal to gm by r square. So gm equal to gr square. So v equal to, putting the value of gr square by r, so g equal to root over, that is gr. So this is the value of velocity. Next we have to know, that is omega. We know omega, that is gm by r plus h r cube. R plus h nearly equal to r. So we can write gm by r cube. So this is gr square by r. So we can write that is g by r. Next, time period, that is t equal to, we get 2 pi root over, this is the value. Next we get 2 pi root over at r, that is gr square. So 2 pi root over, that is r by g. This is the value of r by g. So today we have learned the orbital velocity, time period, and when the satellite is very close to the earth's surface, then we have known that is orbital velocity, orbital angular velocity, and time period. I think this class is very helpful to all of the students. Thank you all my dear students. Please watch all the videos and share and subscribe. Thank you.